Did you know that the self-help industry is worth over $11 billion? That's billion with a B. And yet, how many of us have read a self-help book, only to feel more lost than when we started? Ever felt disappointed after diving into one of those books that promised to change your life but left you feeling the same? Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing around for quite a while: self-help. It's this massive market that just keeps growing, filled with promises of transformation and success. But here's the kicker: is it really as beneficial as it claims to be? Spoiler alert, it might not be. Let's talk about some of the common issues people face when they lean on self-help methods. There's the problem of false promises. So many books and programs guarantee that you'll achieve your dreams in just a few easy steps. But let's be real, life isn't that simple. You might read the latest bestseller, get all pumped up, but a few weeks later, you're right back where you started. That's because many self-help resources gloss over the hard work it takes to actually change your life. There's also the lack of real results. You might feel motivated for a hot minute, but once reality sets in, that motivation fizzles out. And then there's the issue of dependency. When we turn to self-help as a crutch, we can find ourselves continually chasing the next quick fix. Instead of developing our own tools and skills to navigate life, we lean on these external solutions. It's a recipe for frustration and disappointment, and honestly, it can leave us feeling even more lost. Now, let's take a peek at some of the popular trends and gurus in the self-help space. You've got everything from motivational speakers to life coaches, all promising to unlock the secrets to success. But here's the thing: many of these figures have their own agendas. They often sell you a dream that sounds amazing but may not be grounded in reality. Take a look at social media. The hustle culture is everywhere, pushing the idea that if you're not grinding 24/7, you're not doing enough. It can be incredibly toxic. And let's not forget the latest fad diets or productivity hacks that come and go like trends in fashion. They might promise immediate results but rarely offer sustainable change. What often happens is that people jump from one self-help trend to another, expecting to find that magic bullet that will finally solve all their problems. Spoiler alert, it doesn't exist. Here's the main insight I want to share with you: self-help can sometimes hinder personal growth. Wait, what? Yes, you heard that right. Instead of empowering us, it can create a dependency on external solutions. When we constantly seek advice, tips, or tricks from others, we might neglect the inner work that's essential for real and lasting change. True growth comes from within, and while it's okay to seek guidance and inspiration, we need to remember that we have the power to cultivate resilience ourselves. So, what have we learned today? Self-help isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It can be helpful for some, but for many, it can lead to frustration and dependency. It's essential to take a step back and evaluate what truly works for you. Remember, personal growth is a journey, not a race, and it requires more than just reading the latest self-help book. I want to hear from you. Have you ever felt let down by self-help advice? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out my other videos for more insights on personal growth and well-being. Let's keep the conversation going.